Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we are going to look at financial foundation, understanding your cash flow. Remember one thing, my money, my responsibility. This is how we are looking at the money now. Okay? Now you need to take care, you need to be cognizant about what is your income and what is your expenses. Now, how you will become aware of your money concept, right? So, look at your income and expenses. Track your spending. At least 3 months, in a consequent 3 months, look at your spendings, where your money goes, what are all the items you are spending more, and how you can control it. After 3 months, keep track of your spendings, and after 3 months, you can see, you can review where your spendings are gone more, right? And categorize your expenses. How you are going to categorize your expenses? Categorize it like where you have spent your money, whether it is you spent on households, you spent on your travel, you spent on your growth, or you spent on your purchases, online purchases, offline purchases, or home appliances, or you would have been purchased some courses to grow personally, right? So categorize your expenses, whether it is a travel expense or it is a transportation expense, or it is your home appliances expense, or it is a grocery expense. So like that you need to categorize it. And the third thing is that know your income. Keep it, throw a light on your income, which is coming to you after deductions and after taxes paid, right? So this is how you can understand the flow of your cash. So this is how you can understand the cash flow in your life, right? So thank you guys. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.